Hey, welcome to Studio U. I'm Sonya. I'm the nutritionist here at Studio U, and I'm with Emma, our clinic director and naturopath extraordinaire. And today we want to talk about elimination diets. We've been having this conversation off camera, so we thought we'd have it on camera. And what's really interesting is that there is a correlation between removing an intolerant food and constipation symptoms or digestive symptoms getting better. But here's the thing, it's about the amount of time that you do the elimination diet.
Yeah, and it's really interesting because we get a lot of patients coming to us already telling us, I've taken dairy out of my child's diet for 2 weeks, nothing changed, or I've taken gluten out of my diet for 2 weeks or 4 weeks and my skin's still the same, so I don't have an issue with gluten, or my child doesn't have an issue with dairy. And I beg to differ, I really do. And this research really backs it up. So what is it telling us?
So 2 things, the minimum amount you need to do is 6 weeks to see full effect. So as Em was saying, a 2-week elimination is not enough. And look, even if you're just testing the waters, you're better to test the waters for 6 weeks and be really committed to that. Secondly, is that those people that didn't have an intolerance, if you removed the food and their constipation stayed the same, it wasn't the food that was causing the constipation.
Yeah, and therefore So we don't want patients to be avoiding major food groups unless there's a very good reason for it. You know, we have so many patients coming to us eating super restricted diets, and that's not what naturopathic and nutritional medicine is about. So elimination diets are very useful as a diagnostic tool to work out if you have an intolerance and actually do need to be avoiding that food in the long term. But if you are just playing with things during 2 weeks here, 2 weeks there, you're probably going to do more harm than good, and you're probably not eating the wide variety of foods that your gut bacteria need you to eat.
I love that. So before you go and remove foods from your diet, book in and see us. This is what we're trained in doing. We know how to help people do this. But also there are some testing options that you can use to help target your potential food groups that you would target, such as IgG testing, which is a finger prick test, very easy to do. We would send that to you at the moment and you would administer that with your child, and it's very simple, isn't it, Em? So if you want some support in regards to elimination diets, food intolerance testing, or gut symptoms, we're your people. Shoot us a message or book in for our 15-minute consultation. Thanks.